a mesmerizing journey down the life highway. The rhythmic structure of the trachea propels flight. This is the trachea, the body's life highway.
Tough cartilage rings are its skeleton, burrowing, ensuring the passage is always open.
The journey continues deeper, to the very core of the breath. Here,
Ahead, a critical junction, the bronchi, two great gates to the lungs.
The respiratory system's complex network begins to unfold from here.
The path divides, a monumental junction in this inner cosmos. We commit now to the right, deeper into the miracle of respiration. Beyond the bronchus, the path divides exponentially, a breathtaking biological Big Bang.
every breath drives this oxygen torrent down the rushing branches of the life tree.
Towards the most important exchange in the system. We plunge deeper into the fractal cataclysm, an infinite labyrinth of life. Through the cosmic depths we travel, drawn inevitably to the final exchange.
Movie Flow.